Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're at today. There's the hood, there's the frame. I kind of sprayed that down with some cleaner degreaser, let it soak for a day or so. I'm going to pressure wash that this weekend sometime. There's the motor mount. Got a mess on this little table. There's the, I guess would be the rear frame, seat support, steering column, and the console. I can't not get that steering wheel off. I may just leave it on there and tape it off and clean it up, paint around it. The rest of the goodies. And my new stuff from Tractor Supply today, because I got tired of messing with my old helmet. I figured I might as well get this one because it's got the cool little hat, welding gloves, and replacement lenses, which I gotta use for this. Dig here. It's got a little broken tab that apparently I buried right there. There's a broken tab. The actual mount, I'm gonna have to clean that up and re-weld it right to there.
And yet those seams open up on the back side and the tailback, you know, he's got great vision. So it's not a matter of just stopping the play where it's intended. Through the gap on the back side as well because he hits those so well. And then they have so much action that comes off of that. Shot of making the playoffs. If they win out, they make the playoffs. Obviously, you'd like to have some safety and try and teach our kids the proper technique, but you know, once it comes down to on the field, you have to be in the
Alright, I do believe we got that one fixed at least. A little bit of filler, that'll look pretty good. I just got a little bit of a divot right there. I don't want to weld too much on it because it's fairly thin metal. I got plenty of weld on the back side too, so it ought to be fixed. Let's cross our fingers. Alright, the next piece of the puzzle. The drive belt shroud. Told you guys the other day that it had a little bit of a stress crack in it there. It's got it right here. I went ahead and ground that clean. Then up in here I ground it on the back side because I think it'll be a little easier to make it look factory that way at least. I was going to braze this, but this metal is a lot thicker than a car sheet metal. This stuff's a tank, or this thing's a tank, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and use the MIG welder on it and see how it goes. Alright, here's what we've got. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but this camera ain't real good at close-ups, but you get the idea of it. That's got a little bit of a crack you can see on this side, but I might go ahead and try to fill that up a little bit with weld maybe. I may have to take it into work and use a die grinder to clean that up after I weld right there though. I don't have all them fancy tools here at home. Just a little one-car garage doing this in the middle of town of all places. Alright.